Hi, this is Nkechi from the vent. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful fascinator. Can you see how it looks? Very lovely. I think I'm falling in love with velvet material right now. It just looks very exquisite. You can see the tag is still on it. It means it's available for sale. And if you're my subscriber, you can just ask for it and we'll give it to you at 2,500 naira. Only because you're my subscriber. Just at a giveaway. Right? I'm sure you heard that sound. That's from my daughter. Anyway, okay. So, and if you're just joining me for the first time, I'm Nkechi from the vent, and I run this channel, The Vent Craft, to show you how to make lovely, gorgeous designs, as in fascinator designs, and also tips and tricks on how to make all this. So let me show you how you wear this. This with a rallis bag, and this is how it looks. Doesn't it look nice? Or you can even turn it the other way and it comes out looking different to the right color. And that's it. So let's get into business and see how to make this gorgeous looking fascinator. Okay, so we need our measurement tape, chalk, zigzag scissors, hat wire, and our velvet material to wrap. We're going to be doing that stop that you saw. So this measurement of this is 9 inches, and now I'm measuring out from the back of my velvet material. I'm measuring 1 inch, and I'll make use of my zigzag scissors to cut out the material. And I'm making use of zigzag scissors because it does not fray, so I wanted to have that edge, that zigzag edge at the end. So what we're doing right now is to wrap up the hat wire. So this material is actually 20 inches. Usually you make the material you want to use to wrap twice the length of whatever you want to wrap. Remember, the hat wire I measured 9, so it's meant to be 18 approximately, so I just did 20 inches. So now I'm going to wrap it with uhu gum. Keep watching and learning. Now take note, the hat wire that I made use of is the bronze hat wire. If you want to know more about millinery hat wire, I have just done a free training in the Ventcraft Academy reception. So you want to go to the link below this video and click on the Ventcraft Academy reception link, so you get to know all about hat wire, how to use them, when to use them, their gauges, etc. So this, you can see, is bendable, so I can use it to form the shape that I want, which I have just done right now as you're watching me. So that done, we move over to couple up our velvet fascinator. Now we have our base, that's the hat wire we just wrapped, and these lovely roses. Remember, these lovely roses, I actually made them. If you want to learn how to make them, you can also click the link below to join the Ventcraft Academy, where I teach you how to make lovely brooches that you can use to attach to make your fascinator stand out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this hat wire that we have just wrapped to the fascinator. I'm not going to use glue because you want it to lie down flat on your fascinator base. So I'm going to make use of my needle and thread, and I'm going to sew it all the way. Now remember, as I've taught you, since I'm going to be covering the top, it means I can do a wide sewing on top, isn't it? But underneath, I will take the thread close to the thread so that it's not seen underneath, so I don't have to start looking for how to cover up and all that. The thread you're seeing underneath is not the thread from the hat wire, it's the thread that I used to attach the Alice band to the fascinator base. And remember, I did that for this one before I wrapped up my fascinator base with the hat wire. And if you don't know how to mold your fascinator base, Okay, I will be leaving the link up so you can click it. I've already done a video and that's why I didn't repeat it, so you know how to mold your fascinator base and wrap it up. So you can click the link above and get to know how to do that. So this is a classic lovely velvet. I'm really just falling in love with velvet. So can you see how I'm sewing it all up to make it lie down properly? There's a lot of sewing going on, but those will all be covered by our cute roses. Keep watching and learn. If you're joining me for the very first time in the Vent Craft and you're gaining value, please do pause this video right now and hit the subscribe button below this video. Thank you. Also in the description of this video, links to where you can purchase materials used here will be there as well. Watch and see how that thread disappears when I take it close to the other thread. You see, you can't see it again now. That's how you do it in the place you don't want it visible. Keep watching and learning. Please do click the like button if you have gained value from the video of today. Okay, so now we'll take our beautiful handmade roses, use our uhu gum, and we're going to attach it all the way to cover up all the thread sewing like that. Ensure that after a while you still press it down so it sticks properly to your velvet fascinator. You know, you can make use of any other material. Do let me know in the comment section below this video, what material would you use to make this fascinator? What other material do you think would stand out like this? Or would you use the same velvet? Let me know in the comment section below. So we're coming to the close of this video. I would like to say happy Labour's Day again, and remember you can get this fascinator for $7 only as a gift for Labor Day. Take care and God bless.